Welcome to the Gaanext Business Academy Learning Management System. Open the browser and type academy.gaanext.lk. Click Login, click Register Now. Fill the details and create a password. Click Register Now. You will now direct to your dashboard. Click on the Let's Start Learning button. Select the course you wish to register. Click on Add to Cart button. Click on View Cart button. Click on Proceed to Checkout button. Fill contact info and billing info. Click on Place Order button. Now you will see the bank account details that you need to use for course fee payment. Once the payment done, WhatsApp the deposit slip to 0703835385 or email to admin@gaanext.lk. Wait until we verify your payment. Once your payment verified, your course will appear in your dashboard. Now click on the course you enrolled. Click on Start Learning. Once you finish watching a segment, click on Mark as complete. Once you have done this, you will see your course progress. You can download course materials under Notes and Course Materials section. Click on the file to download. For assistance, call us on 07038355385. Thank you for watching.